Professor Manuel Gadi here. Just instructions how to install Excel in your local machine. So first of all, you need to go into the browser out and search for Outlook 365. Then you go to the web there and you start um, logging with your email. And once you in, you click here on the 9 dots and then you say more applications. And here you get the option to install the application locally. So you get to install the application right here. And with that, it should work better with the for our classes. If you are Mac computer, it also works if you go to the store and install it directly from there, and then log in with the user, the IE user, because we have license for the Excel. For the class, it's important that you have Excel installed locally.